Patent Office conducts patent agent examination. Is examination tough, or how can I plan to crack the exam? What is essential from the examination point of view? What are the resources or books I should read for the exam? How many months of preparation is required to qualify for the patent agent exam? Hi, my name is Divya Marwa and I am from Indian Institute of Patent and Trademark. In this video, I am going to discuss how to prepare for the patent agent examination. First, the exam consists of 3 papers. Number 1, paper 1, which is an objective type paper. Number 2, paper 2, which is subjective type paper. Paper 3, which is an viva voice. To understand the pattern of exam, I have created a separate video. You can view from the link given in the description. Paper 1, which is an objective type paper which has multiple choice questions. Tips for qualifying paper 1. Number 1, for qualifying paper 1, you need to read and understand Patent Act 1970 in every detail possible. You have to read all sections and rules of Patent Act 1970 very carefully. Concept of each law should be clear because it might get confused between various choices given in the multiple choice question. Number 4, you can learn abbreviation like WIPO, PCT, WTO, etc. Number 5, there will be questions from the procedure of patent filing, patent opposition, compulsory licensing, PCT patent filing, patent grant, patent publication, etc. Use flowcharts to learn and remember. Visual tools will help you understand better and learn quickly. We have designed special tools and study material for you. Click on the link and watch the video. It is not mandatory to learn every section in legal language. Focus on the meaning and interpretation of the section. Number 7, my students generally ask me which are the most critical sections. I recommend that you should interpret each part in detail with example from the learning point of view section and rule associated with 27 forms which are essential. All forms from 1 to 27 need to be remembered by heart. Paper 2 is subjective type paper. Candidate has to answer 2 types of question. Type of questions are as follows. What are procedure of getting patent register? For example, if any corporate or scientist approaches you with his invention, how you as a patent agent will going to help him? How can you help the software company to get patent on the technology? How can you help the pharmaceutical company in getting patent quicker and faster? If there are more than one inventor of the patent, then what are the rights of co-owners? If you have understood the concept well, then these questions will be easy to answer. Time management is important, so I recommend you to answer these questions in pointers and flowcharts. The second type of questions is of patent drafting. The problem has detailed information along with patent drawing. You need to understand the concept and write the patent application. Such type of question has a choice. You can choose the invention which you can understand very quickly. Many of my students ask me that they are from various science backgrounds like chemistry, electronics, botany. So how they will understand the invention? Don't worry, in the exam, inventions are not very technical. They are about general science, understanding and aptitude. For example, design of windmill, formulation of drug, process of sugarcane juice. Such type of question will test your science aptitude combined with legal language. For scoring good in this paper, you need to practice a lot of problems on a patent drafting. I have prepared a separate book on patent drafting. Click on the link given in the description to watch the video. Paper 3 is a viva voice. Once you qualify paper 1 and 2, time and venue for interview are assigned. Viva voice is generally for 20 minutes. Indian Patent Office located at Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai conducts viva voice. In Viva Voice, they will ask a question about the application of patent law in their science or tech industry. For example, if you are from life science background, so they will ask questions about the patenting of the plant or medicine or microorganisms. If you are from mechanical background, they will ask questions about patenting aerospace designs. If you're from electronics background, then they will ask questions about patenting circuit designs or function of the robotic arm or technology in mobile devices. Let me answer most commonly asked questions from my students. Is examination tough? No. The exam is very easy. The syllabus is limited as compared to other competitive exams like GATE, CAT, NET, etc. Questions are about the concept of helping corporates with their invention. The exam is tough for those who are preparing without guidance. But if you have proper guidance or expert to help you at every step, it becomes easy. The expert can tell you which sections are essential learning and which are to understand the concept. The expert will help you in understanding legal language. If you prepare using tools like memory cards, flowchart, diagram, tables, it will be easy for you to remember. How can I plan to crack the exam? Total 120 hours is an excellent time to give the prepare for the exam. If the examination is 2 months away, you can efficiently devote 2 hours per day to prepare for the exam. You can take help from the professionals who have already qualified for this exam and have years of experience in practicing. What are the essential topics from the examination point of view? Now, if you have less time to prepare, then I would recommend you to focus all energy on 27 forms of Indian patent law. You have to understand all patent forms and their associated sections and rules. What are the resources or books I should read for the exam? Essential resource is the Patent Act 1970, which is free to download from Indian Patent Office website. You can also read the Manual of Indian Patent Office, which is easier to understand as compared to just reading the Patent Act. You should also try to solve and practice all previous year papers. Beside this, we have written and printed books for you. These books are in manual language, very natural language. Books contain flowchart, diagrams to help you understand each concept in straightforward style. Also, I have prepared audio-video lectures of each patent rule. I have made a separate video for study material. You can click on the link, watch the video. How many months of preparation is required to qualify for the exam? 2 months of preparation is sufficient. You just need proper guidance of registered patent agent to help you understand the concepts very easily. For more information, I have prepared Patent Agent Guidebook. You can download from the link. I hope you liked the video. If you have questions or if you want to ask, you can mention to comment section. Also, for more video update, don't forget to subscribe IIPTA. Thank you.